What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today working on the camper again. Let me show you what I've done so far. So I got this back here all replaced. I just got a new door, so I'm gonna have to mess with this. I'll show you guys that later, but this is all really solid how it is now. This is the most solid I've seen this whole back area. So what I had to do was replace, I took off this bottom door trim here, and then I could see that this 2x2 was rotten all the way over, so I replaced the 2x2 all the way over. Then you can see I added some supports in the corners there and there. This wood, this floor actually is not rotten. It's actually super solid. I thought that this piece of plywood on the bottom was going to be rotten, but it's actually not. I thought this back corner was really rotten. You can see a little bit where it's started to come up a little bit, but I'm actually not worried about it. The whole reason the floor was soggy like that was because this 2x2 over here and this one, where it all connected, was totally, like, all the screws and nails had rusted away and it was just totally separated. But you can see how I added the little 2x2 angles in there, and it's all screwed together and screwed up in, like right there. So this back is really strong now. So what I'm going to do is add a couple more 2x2s all the way in the middle here, going up to the front. I did this on the front too, and this is how I'm going to have the siding, like I was telling you guys. I just put a piece on there for now just to see how it's going to work, but did a bunch of wood replacement up front here, made this a ton more solid. I don't think I'll ever have a problem again with any of this wood. Super solid now. And then I'm going to put insulation in between here, and then screw these up on here, and then I'll pretty much be done. I'll put a coat of polyurethane on this when I'm very done. Gonna add some 2x2 supports, then the insulation, then I can screw this plywood on the bottom, and the floor will be all done. Alright guys, this is what I got. So this is exactly what I had planned. So I got the floor all done, got that all screwed up in. I could add a few more screws here and there, but I got it all where it needs to be for now. And then you can see I got the siding folded over the bottom and then started stapling it to the bottom here. Has a nice little edge all the way across the bottom. And then this top one overlaps this one just a little bit. And then this trim out front here covers up all this. And I still have to put a piece on the bottom here, but this is all really nice. This is exactly what I had planned. So all this wood on the side now is at least covered and can't really get wet anymore. Anything that's left that's exposed, I'm going to cover up with some polyurethane. But yeah, got some staples up top. Got it caulked together here in a few spots just to keep it from flapping around. And then yeah, I got some tape here. Got this all sealed. Still have to caulk. I'm gonna put a bead of silicone right here, caulking. That's what I wanted, guys. Just like that. I think I might just leave it the bare aluminum like that too. Back here, same thing. I just couldn't really get all the way over, but it looks, I like the way it turned out. I just have to put a couple touches of caulking here and there, here, and then these two little guys, and that's it. Not really a big deal. This can't, even if water could get in right there, it can't really leak into anything. So got my insulation up here underneath where the bed's gonna be. I put some caulking underneath here just to give it some more support. Getting ready to put my board back on there. Then I'll have a bed frame again. All right, guys, so this is where I'm at. I got the floor all done. The sides all on. You see I caulked the top. I just got to put a few more screws in it here and there. Down the middle, really. And then I'm gonna have a couple planks just like they had it before, like some 6-inch planks, one on each side and then one in the middle, and that'll raise it off the ground another inch, and that'll give me the extra inch that I wanted, because right now I think this plywood is exactly where those plank were before, because they had this real thin piece of stuff on the bottom here. So once I add them plank, it'll actually raise this an inch higher than it was before. So yeah, got that all done. Got these sides done the way I want them. Got it done on both sides. This is a little push out right here, but not the end of the world. I just got my new door on. This is a really nice door. The old door is over here. So I originally planned on just replacing the window and then that handle, because I didn't have a key for this. So I was gonna replace those two, but the window that I was gonna replace this with was like $130, and I wasn't even sure if it was gonna, be perfect or not. It was really close to the same size. So that's what I was gonna do. The brand new doors I was looking at were like $500–600, so I didn't want to spend that much on a door. But I found this one on Facebook Marketplace for $150, and it was pretty much the perfect size that I needed. I think it's a 26 by 72. These are, I drilled a couple holes. I'm gonna add an extra bracket, but you can see it's really nice. Has a screen door. It all works really nice. Has a regular lock and has a deadbolt lock. So really nice door, really big upgrade compared to the one I had before. Got the front all done. Got this nice piece of trim along the bottom here, and it matches the sides now. Got new trim all along the front here. I just added this little door, and it has a lock and a key too. I don't have my keys on me right now, but this little guy opens, and then this is where I'm going to build my like little electric box on the inside. But then I'll have a little access door right here, and this is nice because it just cleaned up that ugly the old outlet that was there. It was pretty ugly, so clean that up a little bit. I'm really liking this door. So on the inside, this is what we got. I got pretty much all of the insulation all in. There's like a couple little spots I still got to do. Got to clean up all this spray foam and stuff. But yeah, got the new insulation pretty much all done in here. I'm leaving out a few spots for where the lights are, because I still got to run the wires and stuff, and it'll make it easier for me with a little bit of insulation missing. So these ones I got to do 3 back here, and then 1 on each side, and then the same up front, 3 in the middle, 1 on each side. The only ones other ones I didn't do are right there, because I'm still gonna do the window. But the window just got here. It's a nice, I think it's a 24 by 14 or 24 by 15. Really nice window for right there. And then I'll have a little pass through into the truck. I think I ended up using 6 sheets of the insulation. So 1 on the floor and then 5 for everything up here. I still have a little bit more. It's in my shed right now, but it'll be enough to finish this. We're looking good, guys. Come a long way. Almost ready to put the panels back on in here, and I'm ready to do the roof, put the coating on the roof. So I'm going to be doing that next. Yeah, this thing's come a long way. It's pretty sweet now. I'm really happy with it. I think I might tint that window too. I'm not sure yet, but yeah, so 6 sheets of that insulation. They're $20 a piece, so $120 for all the new insulation. As soon as I get that new window in, then I can put all the panels and stuff in. Before I do put the panels, I'm gonna run a lot of the wires, at least the wires for these outside lights. Then I'm gonna get new lights for up here, because there was only 1 like right here before, so I'm gonna have like 1 over the bed and 1 over the kitchen, maybe 1 right here in the middle, 1 in the bathroom. So I got some wires to run and stuff, but man, this thing is really sweet, really coming along. So yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be all for today. This was a really productive video. Happy I got my floor all done. It's super solid now. I've never felt it this strong. You know, it's the strongest it's been since I got it. Once I get all the things situated, like kitchen and bathroom and stuff, then I can actually do the new floor. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so you don't miss out on the next video. And while you're here, do me a favor and drop a big thumbs up. It really helps out the video, helps it reach a wider audience, and I really appreciate it. So thanks, guys. I hope you have a great day. Peace.